Drawing tablets are digital tools used for illustration, graphic design, and photo editing, allowing artists to draw directly on a screen or pen pad with a stylus. They are valued for their precision, pressure sensitivity, and natural drawing feel, making them essential for beginners and professional digital artists alike. Starting at number 1, Wacom Cintiq 16. The Wacom Cintiq 16 is a professional drawing tablet with a built-in 15.4-inch Full HD display designed for artists, designers, and animators. It allows users to draw directly on the screen for a more natural and precise creative experience. The included Pro Pen 2 offers high-pressure sensitivity and tilt support, delivering accurate strokes and smooth control for detailed artwork. Compatible with both Mac and PC, it supports various creative software for illustration, graphic design, and animation. With its compact design and anti-glare screen, the Cintiq 16 provides a comfortable and immersive workspace for digital artists. Number 2. XPPen Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Artist 13.3 Pro is a full laminated drawing tablet with a built-in screen designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers. It features a 13.3-inch display with full lamination technology, which reduces parallax for a more natural drawing experience. The tablet supports 892 levels of pen pressure sensitivity, allowing precise and detailed strokes for professional quality artwork. With 123% sRGB color coverage, it delivers vibrant and accurate colors for creative projects. It also includes an adjustable stand for comfortable viewing angles and 8 customizable shortcut keys to improve workflow efficiency. Compatible with major creative software, it is a powerful and portable tool for digital art creation. Number 3. GAOMON PD161. The GAOMON PD161 drawing tablet is an 11.6-inch pen display designed for digital artists, illustrators, and designers who want a compact and affordable creative tool. It features a full HD screen that allows you to draw directly on the display for a natural and intuitive experience. The tablet comes with a battery-free stylus that supports tilt functionality and 892 levels of pressure sensitivity for precise and smooth strokes. It also includes 8 customizable shortcut keys to improve workflow efficiency during drawing, painting, and editing. Compatible with both Mac and Windows PC, the GAOMON PD161 is a portable and user-friendly option for creative work and digital illustration. Number 4. PicassoTab XL Drawing Tablet. The PicassoTab X Drawing Tablet is a standalone digital drawing device designed especially for beginner artists as it does not require a computer to operate. It features a 10-inch screen and comes pre-loaded with drawing apps and tutorials to help users learn and create easily. The tablet includes a stylus pen for smooth and responsive drawing, making it suitable for sketching, painting, and digital illustration. Its portable design allows artists to work anywhere without extra equipment. It also comes with bonus items and a built-in stand for added convenience, making it a great all-in-one gift option for new digital graphic artists. Number 5. Huion VK100V2. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 plus 4K UHD is a high-end drawing tablet with the 15.6-inch fully laminated display designed for professional digital artists, illustrators, and designers. It features a stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution with 145% sRGB color gamut, delivering extremely sharp details and vibrant, accurate colors for creative work. The battery-free stylus provides a natural drawing experience with high pressure sensitivity and tilt support for precise control. Compatible with PC, Mac, Linux, and Android devices, it offers broad flexibility for different workflows. With its slim design and anti-glare screen, the Kamvas Pro 16 Plus is ideal for detailed illustration, animation, and professional graphic design work.